Right now, someone out there needs money. Not next week, not tomorrow, today. Maybe that someone is you, bills stacking up, wallet empty, and no job calling back. But what if I told you you could make your first $100 today with zero experience? No degree, no resume, no waiting. Just simple moves that work in real life. I'm giving you 3 real methods. Pick one, take action, get paid. Method 1 is the fastest, and most people ignore it. Walk outside, go
Hello?
door to door.
Anyone home?
Offer a simple service.
It's John from next door.
Yard cleanup, lawn trimming, trash can cleaning. Simple stuff people don't want to do. Charge $30, $40, even $50
Just $30
per house.
to $50 per house.
Sounds like a great deal.
Do just 2 or 3 houses, and you've already hit $100. Most people won't do this. That's exactly why it works. Now, if you don't want to go outside, use your phone. Open Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. Search one word. Free. People give away couches, TVs, tables every single day. Take that
Here's
item.
the same item
Post it
listed
again.
for sale.
Sell it the same
At a
day.
low price, the profit is small. As the price increases, so does the profit. Higher prices lead to higher profits.
One flip can make you $50, $100, even more. And the best part? You started with $0.
Let me give you
Method
a hand
3
with that.
is getting paid
Thanks,
the same
better than it
day
looks.
for simple work.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Thanks again.
Search help moving, yard work, or quick labor in your area.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift!
These are
Got it.
jobs
Let's
nobody
go.
wants to do, but
I'll start
everyone
on
will
these bits.
pay for.
Great work, everyone.
This is looking so much better.
Here's the payment for today. Thanks, I appreciate it. Great work.
2
See
to
you next
3
week.
hours.
You too.
And you walk
Take
away
care.
with $50 to $100 cash. Same day, same effort, different results. Door to door, phone flipping, same day gigs. Most people will watch this and do nothing. But if you're serious, pick one method and move.
Your first $100 isn't waiting, it's earned. Follow for real